to switch channels on YouTube TV easily hack. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to switch channels on YouTube TV without delays.
So to get started, switching channels on YouTube TV isn't as sad as traditional cable, but there's a simple trick to make it feel faster. The key is using the Live tab and the mini guide efficiently. If you're on a smart TV or using a streaming device, press down the arrow to bring up the mini guide while watching. It lets you scroll through channels without going back to the full Live tab. From there, just select a new channel as it loads much quicker than restarting from the homepage. Another hack is to use the Home tab and scroll to the top picks for you or the Live Now sections. Clicking channels from here also bypasses the long loading screens. And if you're watching on mobile, swipe down while watching live TV to reveal a similar channel guide and jump between live streams easily. Using the mini guide and quick access tabs dramatically improves how fast you switch between channels. No need to reload the entire live grid every time. And that's how you switch channels on YouTube TV easily.